Here without my car. My brother's about to go to a haircut. My office. I don't know. It's not here. So we're gonna listen to. Thank you. You too.
Hi you guys, I am all ready for the day. I am going to make some breakfast for myself right now. Also in the morning I was putting up my flowers and this literally broke when I opened it. So that was very sad. But it can still be used, I think. So yeah, I am just going to make some peanut butter bread with banana on top. And then I also have some mango juice that I will be having with it. And yeah, I just wanted to start the video and talk to you all. So yeah, let's do it. Also you guys, this challenge is like about to end and it's been a fun journey to just be consistent and post regardless of how good my content looks to me, because I really just want to be authentic and real with you all. And I thought it would be just nice to do this and to hang out with you guys. And I really wanted to be extremely productive, study a lot, all of that stuff, but I couldn't do that as much as I would have liked to. So we're gonna do something about that later. Like in the next year probably I'll do another challenge on YouTube and it will be deeply focused on studies only, because hey, I have exams coming. So yeah, now I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast and something to eat. Alright you guys, I just did a haul for you all, so you guys can go and check that out. And yeah, I'm just gonna put these books away now and I'm very excited to use this, honestly. My journal while I have my coffee. Just Kids by Girl Interrupted by Susanna Kaysen. Moby Dick by Without Layering Up to Go Soothing, I think.
उसमें भी मैं यही पीरियड कवर करूंगा। इसका मतलब जो मेरी ओपिनियन होती है वो इस पीरियड पे होती है, ना कि इस पीरियड पे कवर होती है। मैं अपनी ओपिनियन देता हूं, करंट ईयर पे देता हूं, ना कि पता चल गया था जब वोडाफोन आइडिया का मर्जर नहीं भी हुआ था, तब से मुझे ये पता है, ठीक है। तो कंपैरेटिव फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट क्या होती है, ध्यान से सुनिए। और ये चार्ट है ना, साथ से ड्रॉ कर लेना। कंपैरेटिव फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट होती है भैया, जब आप कभी लिस्टिंग में जाते हो या फिर आप मर्जर में जाते हो तो आपको 5-7 साल के फाइनेंशियल देने पड़ते हैं। हर कंट्री की रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग हो सकती है। जैसे मैंने दुबई कनाडा का एक बार मैंने ऑडिट किया था अभी रिसेंटली,
so good together. We look so good together. No stress, take off the pressure. You wanna see the stars, but I got something better. You look like Calabasas and taste like Malibu. I watch that dress fall off your body and enjoy the view. We look so good together. So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause
after almost half an hour of me waiting outside, I'm finally in the trial room. I'm very happy about that. I have 7 pieces with me that I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna let you guys know how they look and all of that stuff. You guys, this is the first dress that we have, and it looks really pretty. So very club vibes. Don't know if I'm ever gonna go to a club, but this is giving, bro. Then it's backless, so I don't think I'm gonna get it, but it looks really pretty still. I think it looks really pretty. I really want to get it.